Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering XRP, Ripple, and providing a market outlook. So if you're new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing I want to start off by is outlining this very key and crucial general region that is flipped as support and resistance historically. So I'm going to outline this kind of 55 to 65 cent region and kind of go back starting in this 2018 time frame and just drag this over. So as you can see, we have had a lot of price action around this level. This was initially where we got rejected on this bounce, came down to this support, and then came back up and rejected again. And then most recently, in 2020, when we came back up to that level, we had a sharp rejection down, followed by another test. And when we broke above this level, we were, on this pretty incredible short-term rally. So then after that, we came back down. We held this as support, sort of as a double bottom, and bounced off of it. And since then, we've kind of tested it a few more times. So if you're bullish on XRP, you want to see this definitely hold. You don't want to see closes above this region because that would ultimately signify how the support has broken and you could see it flip resistance. And also, I want to note how we have this kind of downward trend line where the highs are getting lower. So if you want to be bullish on this, you want to see us break above this trend line and start closing above these highs, right? These intermediate highs that are lower than the other previous highs. So I'd say get above 91 cents and hold that area. As you can see, it was rejected once and then twice in this kind of Q1 2022 area. And so if you get back above that level and then start closing above it, that would be very bullish. So something like this, where you see like, holding this as support in the future on a downtrend. So I think something like that would be very bullish for XRP, and I think that's pretty likely if Bitcoin starts to hold its ground around the $40,000 region. A lot of these altcoins are dropping right now, primarily because Bitcoin's dragging down the market. You see Bitcoin drop, from 69,000 down to 40,000, and a lot of altcoins are just not able to hold their ground and their support levels given how bearish Bitcoin is. So Bitcoin's ultimately determining the market, and these altcoins are kind of getting dragged down with it. But if Bitcoin's able to hold itself and kind of maintain the $40,000 region, you could probably see this inevitably close above this downward resistance and flip this as support. And that would be a very bullish look for this chart, ultimately targeting these highs, and then if you get back above those, targeting this high at $2, and then get above that, and it's pretty clear skies ahead to the all-time high. But I mean, obviously you got to see the short-term trend downtrend break. You got to see flipping these highs as support, and you got to see a lot of follow through and support, especially on Bitcoin. So I think that's kind of the bullish case. However, if you see Bitcoin drop down to $30,000 or even below that, and XRP starts dropping below this support region and flipping it as resistance, that would be ultimately a pretty bearish look, and I think that's probably inevitable with altcoins if Bitcoin were to go down below $30,000. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy, and as always, I will see you in the next one.